Okay. It has been about 5 hours now. We are going to toss the interior back on the car. Also, welcome to episode 3 of the interior makeover. Interior is good. I'm about to be disturbed. What you want? Okay, anyway, interior is good. I'm gonna go ahead and start removing the masking tape from what needs to be masked off, things like that. And then we can go ahead and toss them back in the car. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and toss in the interior. We're going to start with the back, obviously. It'll be easier to work with. So as you guys can see, we forgot those headrests. I can't get them out. I already tried. So we're just going to leave them. For now, we're going to go ahead and start on that side of the car since it's easier to get to. Alright y'all, we got our back seats in there. It looks crazy nice, yo. That looks nice. That looks real nice. So we gotta just throw the fronts in and then we're done. We can just go ahead and take off this masking tape that we have there, and then we can just throw it in. This is the driver's seat, that's the passenger seat, so it makes it a little bit more easier. So I'm gonna take off the driver's seat first because we're ready on the driver's side, so let's handle this side first. Also, when you guys are doing this, don't forget to use that C50 to put your seatbelt buckle back on, because the last thing you want to do is button this thing down to the car and then you don't got your seatbelt buckle on. As you guys see there, we got us some nice red guts. Very, very nice. Very nice. Pretty much just got to put the passenger seat back in and then we're done until we got to remove the door cards in the rear on all 4 sides. So let's get it cracking. It is the very next day and the red interior is just looking crazy. Let me see if this is open. It is open. Look at that. This thing just looks perfect. This thing is great. Look at that. Got into every crevices. There's dirt in there, don't mind that, but we got into everything. Everything is covered. And I went with the two-tone right there. It gives it a little bit of more sporty look. But overall, it came out extremely well. Yo, for $60, I bought 4 cans. So 4 cans came out to $60. It may be cheaper where you're at. I'm in California, so everything's a lot more expensive here. So for $60, a full interior redo, I got it. It's a no-brainer. It's really a no-brainer. That's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Next video, we're gonna be taking apart the door cards to get those in red as well to fully complete the interior. And I'm not sure if I want to do the wood part, if I want to keep that in the carbon that is wrapped in, or just leave it exposed wood for a more OEM feel, or not. I don't know. Comment down below what you guys think I should do. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.